Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. In first, we have minus 4p. So let's say that monomial 1 is minus 4p and monomial m2 is 7pq. So you have to find m1 multiplied by m2, right? So m1 is minus 4p and m2 is 7pq. Now, as we have discussed earlier, that whenever you have to multiply two monomials or three or more monomials, then you always group together the numerical coefficients. In this case, minus 4 is the numerical coefficient of m1. So minus 4 multiplied by 7. 7 is the numerical coefficient in 7pq. You group them together and multiply. Then p. Now here you have this p here. Let's take a different color. P here and this p here, right? So group p's together and then you have this q, right? So this is minus 28 multiplied by p squared multiplied by q. So you get minus 28p squared q. For this second part, let's say in this case now we have m1 is 4p cubed and m2 is minus 3p. Now m1 multiplied by m2 is what? Is 4p cubed multiplied by minus 3p. Okay, so here this 4 and this minus 3, that is a numerical coefficient of this monomial and the numerical coefficient of this monomial, you group them together. So 4 multiplied by minus 3 and then multiplied by this p cubed and this p. So p cubed multiplied by p. This is minus 12 multiplied by, this is p cubed multiplied by p. It means p raised to the power of 4. So this is minus 12p raised to the power of 4. This is the answer. Now here we have in this case m1 is 4p, m2 is 0. Now m1 multiplied by m2 means what? 4p multiplied by 0. Whenever you multiply any number or any expression by 0, you'll always get 0. So 0 is the answer in this case, right? The second part of the problem is find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Now it's saying that suppose you have this rectangle, it's not really accurate. And let's name it A, B, C, D. So this is the length and this is the breadth. Now it's saying that, let's take this first one. It's saying that if your length is represented by this monomial, that is 20x squared, and this breadth by 5y squared. Of course, when you will put some value of x, then you will get the length here, and when you will put some value of y, you will get the breadth here. The thing is that the length and the breadth, the length and the breadth are represented using algebraic expression. Okay, so what's the formula of area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle is length times length multiplied by breadth. So what's length here? Length is 20x squared. What's breadth here? Breadth is 5y squared. Now, this 20 and this 5 are the numerical coefficients of these two monomials respectively. So 20 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by, now only one x, we have only one x here, we don't have any x, variable x here, so write it as x squared. Same thing, we have y only in this monomial, we don't have any y here, so write y squared here. Now this can be written as 100 x squared y squared. Let's take the second example. In this case, we have 4x and breadth is represented by 3x squared. Length is 4x multiplied by breadth is 3x squared. Now, this 4 and this 3, and then this x and this x squared. So this is x multiplied by x squared. The same variables, okay? Now if you solve it, you'll get 12 multiplied by x squared means x cubed. So this is 12x cubed. That is, the area is 12x cubed. It means if you'll put some value of x here, you'll get some area. Now we have in this case, we have 3mn as the length and 4np as the breadth. So A is equal to 3mn multiplied by breadth is 4np. This 3 and this 4 here. So this is 3 multiplied by 4. And then you have multiplied by this variable m is present only in this expression, so write m here. Now multiplied by, you have n here and you have n here, so multiplied by n multiplied by n, then multiplied by, you have p only in this expression, so write p as it is. So 12 multiplied by m multiplied by n squared multiplied by p, so you will get 12 m n squared p. This is the answer.